What if I told you there's a market that went from $100 billion to a projected $1.2 trillion in less than 5 years? Not crypto, not NFTs, not some speculative bubble. We're talking about the most critical physical product on the planet right now, the semiconductor chip. And the numbers coming out in 2026 are absolutely staggering. The scale. Let's put some numbers on the table. In Q1 of 2026 alone, global chip sales hit $298.5 billion. That's a single quarter, year-over-year growth of 25%. The industry is now tracking toward $1 trillion in annual sales, and that's before AI even hits full stride. A new report from the Semiconductor Industry Association and Deloitte just dropped a bombshell. Revenue from chips deployed specifically inside AI data centers could top $1.2 trillion by 2028. That's a nearly tenfold increase in just 4 years. Let that sink in. Tenfold in 4 years. That's not a market, that's an explosion. Why now? The driver is obvious. Artificial intelligence. Every AI model you use, every chatbot, every image generator, every recommendation engine runs on chips. And the more powerful the AI, the more chips it needs. We're not talking hundreds, we're talking hundreds of thousands. Nvidia understood this before almost anyone else. In Q1 2026, the company's data center revenue alone hit $75 billion in a single quarter. That's more than most countries' GDP growth. But here's what most people miss. The AI chip market isn't just GPUs, it's HBM memory, it's advanced packaging, it's the substrate, the interconnects, the cooling infrastructure. Semiconductors now account for 95% of the value inside an AI data center rack. 95%. The battle, and where there's $1 trillion, there's a war. Nvidia dominates AI chips, but the challengers are coming. AMD crossed a $760 billion market cap. Intel is fighting back. Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are all designing their own custom silicon in-house. Meanwhile, the geopolitical dimension is impossible to ignore. TSMC in Taiwan manufactures the most advanced chips on the planet. The US is pouring billions into domestic production. China is racing to close the gap. ASML in the Netherlands holds the key to the machines that make the machines. Every country, every tech giant, every sovereign wealth fund is now betting on chips, because whoever controls the silicon controls the future, the bigger picture. This isn't just a Wall Street story, it's a geopolitical story, an energy story, a labor story. The AI chip boom is projected to require power consumption that could reach 123 gigawatts in US data centers alone by 2035, up from just 4 gigawatts in 2024. We are building an entirely new layer of infrastructure for civilization, and semiconductors are the foundation of every single piece of it. The companies that understand this and position themselves now will define the next 20 years of the global economy, a $1 trillion market, a global arms race, and we're just getting started. If you want to stay ahead of the biggest shifts in tech and the economy, subscribe right now. We publish these breakdowns every week so you never miss a move. And the video showing right there? It goes even deeper into the companies and countries betting everything on this silicon revolution. You're going to want to watch that next.